Building your financial fortress. The power of saving. Saving is not just about putting money aside. It's about creating a strong foundation for your future. Saving money is crucial for a secure future. It ensures that you have the resources to handle life's uncertainties. It's the foundation of your financial well-being. Without savings, achieving financial stability can be challenging. Saving allows you to achieve your goals. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or starting a business, savings make it possible. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Emergencies can happen anytime, and having savings can ease the stress. Start building your financial fortress today. The sooner you start, the stronger your financial position will be. Saving doesn't require drastic measures. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to significant savings. You can start small and see big results over time. Consistency is key to growing your savings. This essay will guide you through simple yet effective strategies to save money. You'll find practical advice that fits your lifestyle. We'll focus on practical tips that you can implement immediately. These tips are designed to be easy and actionable. From understanding your spending habits to automating your savings, we've got you covered. Automation can make saving effortless. We'll explore ways to reduce household expenses and avoid debt. Cutting unnecessary costs can free up more money for savings. You'll learn how to maximize your income for a brighter financial future. Increasing your earnings can accelerate your savings goals. Get ready to take control of your finances. Setting clear financial goals is the first step. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. With the right strategies, financial freedom is within your reach. Know your numbers, unmasking spending habits. The first step to saving is understanding your spending. Review your bank and credit card statements for the past few months. Categorize your spending into essential and non-essential items. Essential expenses include housing, food, and transportation. Non-essential expenses are things you can live without, like entertainment and dining out. Identify areas where you tend to overspend. Are you frequently eating out or making impulse purchases? Once you pinpoint these areas, you can start making adjustments. Awareness is key to gaining control of your finances. Small changes, big impact. Trimming the fat from your budget. You can make significant strides in saving by making small adjustments to your lifestyle. Consider cooking at home more often instead of ordering takeout. Pack your lunch for work a few times a week. Evaluate your subscriptions. Do you really need all those streaming services? Cut back on the ones you use less. These minor changes may seem insignificant, but they can add up to substantial savings over time. Remember, every dollar saved is a step towards your financial goals. Section 4. Automate and grow. Making your money work for you. Automating your savings is a game changer. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This ensures you consistently save without having to think about it. Look for high-yield savings accounts. They offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. This allows your money to grow faster. Consider exploring other investment options as you become more comfortable. Remember to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Section 5. Outsmarting household expenses. Winning the battle against bills. Household expenses can take a big bite out of your budget, often leaving you stressed and overwhelmed. Lower your utility bills by being mindful of your energy and water consumption. Simple actions can make a big difference. Turn off lights when you leave a room, and make it a habit for everyone in the household. Unplug electronics when not in use. This prevents phantom energy drain and saves money. Consider switching to energy-efficient appliances. They may have a higher upfront cost, but save money in the long run. Negotiate lower rates with your cable and internet providers. You'd be surprised how much you can save with a simple phone call. Explore alternative options like streaming services. They often offer more flexibility and lower costs than traditional cable. Plan your meals and make a grocery list before heading to the store. This ensures you buy only what you need. This helps avoid impulse purchases and reduces food waste, keeping your kitchen organized and your budget intact. Shop around for better deals on insurance policies. Comparing rates can lead to significant savings over time. Section 6. Mastering your finances, a path to financial freedom. This journey requires dedication and a clear strategy. Avoiding debt is crucial for building a solid financial foundation. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Prioritize paying down high-interest debts like credit cards. These debts can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. Strive to pay more than the minimum payment whenever possible. This reduces the principal faster and saves you money on interest. Use cash or debit cards instead of credit cards. This helps you avoid unnecessary debt and interest charges. This helps you stay within your budget and avoid accumulating interest charges. Live within your means and track your spending. Don't spend more than you earn. It's essential to maintain a balance between your income and expenses. Consider ways to maximize your income. Look for opportunities to increase your earnings. Explore side hustles or freelance opportunities. These can provide additional income streams. Look for passive income streams like renting out a spare room or creating online content. Passive income can significantly boost your financial stability. Invest in yourself by developing new skills or pursuing further education. Continuous learning can open new doors. This can increase your earning potential in the long run. Higher skills often lead to better job opportunities and promotions. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience and persistence. Start implementing these simple hacks today. Small steps can lead to significant changes over time. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your financial well-being. Achieving financial freedom is within your reach.